Good morning, all of you, and let's start today's class. So, in the last class, we have finished rounding off. Now, today we will see how to find potential in a particular resistance if it is connected in series. Okay, how to find potential across any resistor which is connected in series. So, see potential in series combination. Potential in series combination. Now, let's take one example. Suppose now I am having three resistors like this. This is first one, this is second, and this one is third. And we have connected one battery here. This is positive terminal, negative terminal, and let us suppose this is 30 volt. And now I am taking this as a 2 ohm. Then this is 4 ohm. And this is also 2. How much we will take? 6 ohm. Let's take 6 ohm. How much? 6 ohm. Now see, in this circuit, current, will it remain same or it will get divided?
Same, sir.
Same, sir.
Yes, this is current I, which is remaining same. So I remains same. And how to find current first? See, current I is equal to total potential divided by total resistance. So now, whatever the resistance is there, all resistors are in series. So here Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Why? Because they are in series. So this is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6. And that is equal to how much? 12 ohm. Okay. Now total supplied potential is how much? Listen carefully. Total potential. How much here? It is 30 volt. Therefore, current I is equal to 30 divided by 12. How much you are getting? Tell me. How much?
2.5.
2.5
2.5.
Okay, I got this current now. Now across this 2 ohm, you are having potential V1. Across this, you are having V2. And across this resistor, you are having V3. Okay. So here now, V1 is equal to IR1. So this is equal to V1 is equal to IR1. I is how much here? 2.5. R1 is how much? 2 ohm. So how much you are getting? See, 2.5 into 2. So this is 5 volt है ना. Next one, P2 is equal to I into R2, which is equal to 2.5 into 4. How much that is? 10 volt. And V3 is equal to I into R3, that is equal to 2.5 into 6. बोलो कितना होगा?
15.
15, sir.
Yes, this is 15 volt. So understood now how to find the potential when it is in series combination? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next
No,
problem.
sir.
Next problem. Can you do yourself? Yes. Okay. So let's see the next problem.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll copy the last question.
Yes, yes. Copy. Okay. So let's move ahead and see now another question I'm giving you. You try to solve it. Now here it is V1 across this 5 ohm, and across this two parallel combination you are having V2. So what you have to find? You have to find three things. First you have to find current. Okay, current I, and then V1 and V2. कैसे करेंगे? See here, I will give little hint. First these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel, है ना? So these two are in parallel, same resistance connected in parallel. If same resistance,
R by N.
yes, connected in parallel, then Rp is equal to R by N. So R is what? 10, and N is how many resistors? 2 resistors we have connected. So how much you are getting here? 5 ohm, है ना? Yes. Now you can redraw the circuit, and can you do it yourself now? So it is very easy. This is 5 ohm and this is also 5 ohm. And now here, this is what supplied potential. How much that is? 40 volt.
V1 equal to 20, V2 equal to 20.
Yes, good. So this is 40 volt. And I value?
4, sir. I will.
I value is?
4.
4.
Okay, I value is 4. So understood how to do? Switch off your videos. See now. Those who are having still doubt, listen carefully, because next problem I am going to give little twist. So you should be ready. Okay, so see here, one more time I am solving this. First we have to find I. So for I, what is the formula? Total supplied potential.
Total potential divided by
By
total
total
resistance.
resistance.
Total resistance.
Yes. So total resistance.
40 by 10 is equal to 4.
Yes. So see, first resistance is there. So first I
5
am
plus 5,
finding
10.
resistance. These two are in series. So as they are in series, how much you are getting? 5 ohm plus 5 ohm,
10
which is
ohm.
equal to 10 ohm. Next we are having potential. V is equal to how much?
Potential
40
40
volt.
ohm. 40
And
volt.
then I is equal to V by R. Yes. So this is
40
40
by 10
by
is
10.
40 by 10.
So this is 4 ampere.
4.
Now you got 4 ampere.
V1 is equal to I into R1 is equal to 4 into 520. V2
Yes.
is equal to I into R2 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, V1 is 20 volts, V2 is 20 volts. Current is 4 ampere, total resistance is 10 ohm, total current is 40 volts. Total potential.
Total current is 4 ampere. V1 is 20 volt and V2 is also 20 volt. Same resistors, same value you will get. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In case
Yes,
of 3 resistors, you will get 3 potentials. Hai na? If I will give 3 resistors, as we have solved in the previous case, like this you have to solve. If 4 resistors they have given, you can do it. Okay. So, did you understand this part now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ready for little
Yes,
bit
sir.
difficult? Can I give now? Little bit difficult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Copy this part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see now. Next problem. Let me see how you are solving. Can you do it now?
Yes, sir.
Across this you are getting V1. Okay. Across this it is V2. And across this it is V3. Although resistors are parallel, potential will remain same. That's why across these two resistors you are getting V1. Across these two resistors you are getting V3. Chalo start karo. Step number 1, we have to find out total resistance. Then total current. Then V1, V2 and V3. Do it fast.
V1 equal to 15, V2 equal to 15, V3 equal to 30.
V1 is equal to 15, V2 is equal to 15, V3 is equal to 30. R
V1 is equals to 9, V2 is equals to 9,
Total R is equal to 10 ohm.
And current is 6 ampere.
Current is 6 ampere.
V1 9, V2 9 and V3
V3 40.
V3 40. 40 na?
Yes, sir.
V3 30, sir.
This is wrong, Ray. This is wrong. 9 9 40 is wrong.
V3 is 30, sir.
15 15 30. R is how much R? Total R
10 ohms.
10 ohm. Okay, I think this is right answer. We will check. And current I how much?
6 6 ampere. 6 ampere.
6 ampere.
Yes, I think this is the right answer.
The first one is correct, sir. 6 into 2.5 is 15.
Okay. Yes. So I think this is right answer. One time I am solving, just listen.
15 volts, 30.
Yes. That is only I think right answer. We will check it. So see, those who are
13.
yes. 15 15 30. Okay. So पहले सुनो. In this case, this is what parallel combination. This is parallel combination, है ना? So as these same resistors connected, so this is RP1, which is equal to R by N, and that's why how much? 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 ohm. Next, one more resistor is there, which is, or two resistors are there. One more branch is there, which is again in parallel. So here it is RP2, which is equal to R by N. Here R is 10 and number of resistor connected 2. That's why this is how much? 5 ohm. If same resistor is connected in parallel n times, this is formula already I have discussed. Okay. So देखो अब कैसे होता है? Yes, concentrate. Now I am going to replace all this. So I am redrawing the diagram. So now I am having here 2.5 ohm. Then actually this is original copy, that is 2.5 ohm. And here how much you are getting? 5 ohm. And down you are having battery. So this battery potential is how much? 60 volt. And this is current I. Okay, I. Now let's find out first what is that? Total resistance. All three are in series because same current is flowing now through all. So that's why total resistance is equal to bolo 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 5.
5 plus
10 ohm, sir.
25.
How
10
much?
ohm.
10 ohm. Okay, resistance we got. Clear. Now after this we have to find current because battery potential we know. So therefore total current I is equal to V by RS. तो यहाँ पे V कितना है? 60. RS कितना?
60 by 10.
60 by 10.
So how much?
6.
6
6,
ampere.
sir.
Ampere.
Okay, I got. Now next is V1. V1 कहाँ पे है? 2.5 क्या cross? So here you
2.5.
are having V1. Yes, here it is V2. And here it is V3. Okay. Now, this V1 is equal to I into
I
R1.
into R.
6 into
6 into 2.5.
To 2.5.
yes.
15.
How much then? Bolo.
15.
15.
Yes, 15 volt. This is what the right answer. V1 is equal to 15 volt. है ना? This I is equal to 6 ampere. RS is equal to how much? 10 ohm. Okay, right. Next one. V2 I want to find. So V2 is equal to I into R2. So I
R2.
कितना है? Again same 6 into
6 into
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
So V2 is equal to again
2 is
15
equals
volt.
to 15
15
volt.
volt.
Okay, right. And third one, you see that is V3. V3 is equal to how much now? I into
I
R3,
into
I into
equal to,
R3.
which is
6
equal to what?
into 5.
6 into 5,
6 into
30
5.
6 into 5.
30 volts.
So this is
30 volt.
equal to 30 volt.
30 volts.
So always keep it in mind, the addition of V1 plus V2 plus V3 should equal to the supplied voltage, na? Yes, no? Right? From market, if we brought 10 apples and distributed in 4, then whatever we have distributed according to the age, suppose the one boy is of 10 years, another is of 5 years, one is very small. First we give suppose 3, second we give something, or first we give 4, then 3, and then 3. Okay, so like that. So that addition should come equal, no? Again here also, this whatever supplied is there 60 volt across 1, 2, and 3. How much it will divide, or how much it will drop? That addition should be equal
60.
to the supplied voltage.
Equal.
That's why you always recheck whatever potentials you got. You add it and check is it coming equal to supply or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Okay. और एक सवाल करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक से करोगे ना, गड़बड़ नहीं करना है, आराम से सॉल्व करो। चलो और एक लेते हैं, देखेंगे कौन कौन सॉल्व करता है पोटेंशियल वाला। यस, कॉन्सेंट्रेट एंड डू इट प्रॉपरली। ओके, लेट्स गिव मी सम, आई विल गिव सम क्विज नाउ। So let me see how you are doing. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Easy unda kadara. Yes, very easy. Don't worry. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm. This is 8 ohm and 8 ohm. And यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गैप है। ओके, याद रखो, ये जो है ये थोड़ा सा गैप है इधर। ओके, दिस इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टर्मिनल्स। यू डू लाइक दिस, ऐसे ऐसे रुको, ठीक है ना? ये थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे करो, दिस इज नॉट कनेक्टेड, ठीक है? हाँ, तो अब आपको क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है पोटेंशियल एंड करंट। तो ये जो सप्लाई है ये मैं देता हूं 32 वोल्ट, और अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है करंट आई। ओके, and then across this is V1, across this is V2, and across this is V3. कैसे करेंगे बोलो? Will you do?
One should try.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. करो करो. Charanjit has sent me answer for current, that is 2 ampere. Okay, yes. Srikar, 2 ampere. Yes, right. Resistance anta? Resistance first you have to tell, no?
R equivalent is 16 ohm, V1 is 8 ohm, V2 is 16, V1 is 8 volt, V2 is 16 volt, V3 is 8 volt.
Yes. 8 volt, 16 volt, 8 volt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. How many of you got answer? तो देखो यहाँ पे जो है मैं एक बार सॉल्व करता हूँ जिसको नहीं आया. ये जो है ये पूरा सीरीज में है. ओके, देयर इज नो एनीथिंग पैरेलल हियर. So just if you will redraw the diagram, you will get here 4 ohm, and here it is addition because this is all are in series. So 2 plus 2 plus 4, how much it is? 8 ohm, है ना? And these two are in parallel. Obviously, these two are in parallel means what? Rp is
4
equal to R by N. So this is 8 by 4 ohm. तो यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है आपको? 4 ohm. And down you see this is battery which we have connected and its potential is 32 volt. Now you can do it yourself. I think it is very easy. V1, V2 and V3. तो पहले resistance find out करो. So first resistance is what? RS is equal to total addition. How much? 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. 16 ohm? Yes?
16.
Okay, this is 16 ohm. We got 16 ohm. ठीक है, next. After this, current we have to find. So current I is equal to total potential by resistance. So total potential 32 divided by 16. So you are getting I is equal to how much? 2 ampere.
2 amperes.
Sir,
Okay.
V3 8, sir.
V3 is
8. 8 ohm in question.
in question.
Okay. Confused.
Yes, please ask again.
Correct only, sir. I am confused.
Okay, no problem. Right. So see, next one, let's move ahead. This is already 8. Maybe because of this white line, you did not see properly. Check it. 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 4, 2, 2, and 4. Right only? No, check everyone. So next one, see, current we got. Now V1 is equal to I into R1. So I had 2, R1 is 4. So this is 8 volt, right? Next is V2. This is I into R2. I is how much? 2. R2 is 8. 8 to the 16 volt.
16.
And V3, which is equal to IR3, which is equal to 2 into
2 into 4, 8 volt.
4. So this is again 8 volt.
8 volt.
So this is what we have learned, how to find potential when resistors are connected in series. Now we will, in the next class, we will learn how to find current when it is connected in parallel, and then combined problems we will solve. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir.
now I am giving 3 problems. You just do that yourself as a homework. Okay? This finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So
Yes,
see, only 3 problems I am giving as a homework. Just do it yourself and send me You can send it on group. First check it without mistake. 2, 3, slowly you do. No need to be hurry. Okay, this is number 1. Then you can do it yourself. You can denote yourself. And last one.
Yes, sir.
Across this is V1. याद रखो. Across this is V2. Only this register. And across this is V3. और इसके जो values है वो ऐसे हैं. 4 ohm, 4 ohm. This is also 4. This is 6 and this is 6. This is 18 volt. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
These
Okay.
points
V1
are
V1 equal to 21.